Couple months ago, Niphean sent me their 10.6 paddleboard for review, and I was really impressed with the quality, the workmanship, and the value for the money. And I mentioned in that video that I'm going to get my own, so I ordered one from Amazon, and that's what I'm going to share with you guys today. So here it is. I usually do the unboxing, taking everything one by one out of the box, but this time we're just gonna do the quick one, just like this. So here what came in the box is, starting from the top, we got the 11-feet paddleboard, an inflatable kayak seat with 2 straps, a 3-piece paddle, a manual pump, a full set of fins including the stable track fin, which is my favorite, an ankle leash, a cell phone and water bottle cup holder, a repair patch kit, the user manual, a waterproof phone pouch, and lastly the carrying bag, of course. So we got everything we need to get paddling straight out of the box. So this Niphean paddleboard is 11 feet long, and just look at the color and the graphics. I just love it. Absolutely stunning. This Niphean board has 2 mounts, one at the front and another in the middle, where you can attach the water bottle cell phone holder. One thing I always pay attention to is the deck pad. Like I mentioned in a previous video, my daughter's first paddleboard had a deck pad that faded after just 1 summer. Ever since that experience, checking the deck pad has become a priority for me whenever I'm looking at a new board. What I like about this Niphean is that the deck pad isn't just one solid piece or something that it's painted on. It's actually made from different colored material that are glued together. So the color runs through the material itself, so that gives me a confidence that the color won't fade quickly over time. So the level of details and craftsmanship really impressed me. You can tell they put a lot of thought into design and construction of this board. So let's go ahead and inflate it. I'll be using the Niphean electric pump. This is the electric version of the Niphean pump, not rechargeable, so I'll be powering it up using my booster. I like that it comes with a carrying case as well. That is neat. And here it is. It has 4 suction cups underneath to keep it stable, and that is super shiny. The display is quite large, and it even has 2 LED lights at the front, which is a nice touch. On the side there's the power port. I'm actually surprised how slim and lightweight it is. Of course, inside the case we got the hose, a set of different nozzle, and a super tiny user manual, and the 12 volts cable for powering the pump. What's really interesting is the nozzle connection. They use a quick connect design that locks in place with just a quarter turn, which I really love. Alright, let's start inflating the board. I'm going to add the timer in the bottom left corner of the screen so that we can see exactly how long it takes to inflate this 11-foot paddleboard. And let's see how long it will take to inflate. I'm gonna set it to 14 psi. So the board is like 12 to 15 psi. I always inflate my boards to 14 psi. So here we go. Let's plug it here. Alright, so to power it on, you have to press and hold, and then you watch the few bars, and then it says on. It's like a huge display. I like the display. It's very big. So it's default to 12 psi. So again, I'm going to inflate it to 14 psi. So let me just show you the light first. Right there, I guess. There you go. That's bright. Right, so that's 14.0, and then just gonna press start. Okay. Yeah, that's the inflate. Right, so it took 9 minutes and 18 seconds. I would say it's not warm at all, but the hose is warm, right? Still very handy. Right, so that's the complete setup. Man, this paddleboard is beautiful. I love it. And that's another GoPro mount or whatever, camera mount. And that's a cell phone holder and a bottle holder, or if you have a coffee mug, and the ankle leash. Man, the color is so attractive. And this is the best, because this is the good thing about this, because you can just bring that another piece of the paddle, and if you install the seat, then if you get tired you can just sit and then attach it to the other end, and you can relax and then do as a kayak. You look at that view. Alright guys, so that is my review of the 11.6 Niphean paddleboard with the inflatable seat and the kayak option. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section below. And if you are interested with this paddleboard, I'm going to leave the link in the description below as well. Also, I would recommend to go visit Niphean official website. They have different model of this paddleboard. There's actually one that I'm keeping my eye on it. You know, like I really like this model, as you guys can see right there. Anyway, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.